Kani ka video ini apan penia phigum na bafin solve ya ka jangkali na ka chapter 3 jangka ka class 10 pa kamjur bafin plot iki point ka graph. Solve the following system of linear equations graphically. 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0, but x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Shoot the region bounded by these lines on the y-axis. Also find the area of the region bounded by these lines on the y-axis. In thought, let us assume the equation 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0, the equation 1. In assume baka equation 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0 kan the equation 1. But x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 bakan the equation 2. Mentapat ngin yo menshim ya ka equation 1 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then ngin yo menshim ya ka jaka x. In thought let x is equal to 0. Hande fila menshim no number hande fila de video kena ba ka answer kanam de how decimal fraction ane root. In thought 3 into 0 plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. But 3 into 0 can belong 0. Y minus 11 is equal to 0. The y minus 11 is equal to 0. The y yo 11 in darah na silang untuk belang positive. Untuk belang 11. Mentang in yo benshim sa x is equal to 1. Tingin thought let x is equal to 1. Tingin yo ben solve. 3 into 1 plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. The 3 into 1 column 3 plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Tingin yo ben pet saya usain jong u 3. The 3 u day plus but u 11 day minus, but plus into minus kan day minus. They can do sa 8. Hande ba u 11 u he tingin chimya u sin jong u 11. They can do long minus 8 plus y is equal to 0. Kan belong y is equal to 8 nama u dalam kari silang kan belong positive. Mentapat ngin yo ban thought sa let x is equal to 2. Ngin shimna x is equal to 2. Then solve 3 into 2 plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then kan belong 3 into 2 kan belong 6 plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. There kan sa 6 is positive but 11 day negative. Tingin yo ban plus to minus kan play minus ngin yo ban minus kan sa 5. Hande ba 11 u he in shime sin jong 11. Kan minus 5 plus y is equal to 0. Kan belong y is equal to 5. Ngin carry no 5 te untuk belong positive. Mentapan ngin yo menshim sa ka equation 2. Kanir kum ju ingin solve kum ka equation 1 hi. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then in thought let x is equal to 0. There 0 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. There minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. But minus y carry no 1 to silang kan belong plus 1. Mentapat ngin yo ban multiply da u minus ha both sides. Sabar or liang. In thought minus into minus y is equal to minus into 1. There minus into minus kadai plus y is equal to minus 1. There ka answer kadai minus 1. Mentang in shim sa that x is equal to 1. Hani ro fila ban shim kanu number ru and read kan maya ka criteria. 1 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Positive 1 but negative 1 kiya cancel na. There kadap sa minus y is equal to 0. Hadin ngin sa y is equal to 0. Mentapat ngin yo menshim sa x is equal to 2. Hangir film shim number hande ka criteria diban kan mau. Kan belong 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. There 2 but 1 kiya minus na. Kan sa 1 minus y is equal to 0. There y minus y is equal to minus 1 my 1 like carry kan belong negative. There minus but minus ni yo ban cancel na. the y is equal to 1. Menta pak ngiyo ban draw koi ka box nam ta ka equation 1. Bangin yo ban bo ya ki value jong x but y na equation 1. Dengan tho x ngin pa yu x but yu y tho x y but ngin pet ya ka value jong u x pa yu x to 0 y de 11. There menta x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. But x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. Kan maru ban tho eka kerteng jong ka equation hajrong ka box khna ba fin nam kalmar parak for exam hangni ka day 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Manta pa nginyo ban draw sa koi ka box na banta ka equation 2. Hangni rangin fill ka value jong x but y jong ka equation 2. The x y tingin tho kumju hi. The ngin pa x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. The x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. The x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. The filipan pet bahar khnang ba fina bakla ra ki sign. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Mentapan yin yo ban shim ka graph pat ngin plot ki value jong x but y bang la yo. There ngin tho x ka basha ka man ka day positive numbers jong x but ka badang ka day negative numbers is x. But ha y axis ubasha neng ki positive numbers jong y but support the negative numbers jong y. X day 0, y is equal to 11. 0 udah hapring mau di center ya 11 mau di positive 11 ngin yo ban shim yaki numbers jong y badai positive ngin mark point a. X equal to 1, y is equal to 8. 1 ngin mark ya side jong x badai positive 1 but ngin mark ha 8 ngin top point b. But kumju yo x equal to 2, y is equal to 5. Ngin mark ha 2 but ngin point ha 5 ngin thoro point c. Haba ngi draw ya line ngi day ban pet bakini ki point haba ki ya connected ki long ulang straight line. But ajrong jong new line ngin yo ban tho ya ka equation. Hangni ka equation ka day 3x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Mentangin pet ya ka equation ka ba r. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. 0 unde be hasanta lan hapdeng. But minus 1 udah syapo syaki negative number jong y. But mentangin pet x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 kandup day ha 1 but 0 undup day ha jo hi. Tengin mark ha 2. Tengin pet sa x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and mark ha 2 jong x axis but 1 jong y axis. But mentang in yo ban tho igni points kom point d, point e but point f. But ngin shimmer yo scale ngin paran kam ngin pet begini ki point ha bang ya join kin long straight line. But ha jrong jong new line ngin ban tho eka kerteng jong ka equation hani ka equation ka ba r ka day x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. But mentangin pet ya ka second part jo ka jingkali ka baong shade the region bounded by these lines and the y axis. There ngin yo ban pet ya line jong equation ka baning kom but ka equation ka ba r. But how ni meeting point how new line bagini ki artli ki lines ki tingko in yo ban mark point g. But mentang ni yo ban shade ya kan ni ka triangle ka bala form ha y axis. But ngin yo ban shade ya ka but ngin pen kana ba kani ka garaw jingi ka lang khoi. But mentang in yo ban pet ya ka second part jang ka jingkali ka baong also find the area of the region bounded by these lines and the y axis. Te mentang in what ya ka area jang ka triangle. Teknang mengin tip ya ka area jang ka ni ka triangle ni de ban tip ya ka formula jang area of a triangle. Tingin tho the area of triangle AGD. Kerteng jang ka ni ka triangle ka de AGD. That the area of triangle AGD kadai In thought, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Then in pet haka triangle kano dika base kano dika height. Then in thought half then in pet base hangning ilak ban shim ya u a d ya u d ngilak ban shim ya u dg ngilak ban shim ba ya u ag ngilak ban shim. Đây hangning in shim a d. Then in ken in sedang ban ken ya ki number jong ki box long ki box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The base hangni kadai 12. Then in pet mentah saya ka height. But ka height jong ka triangle AGD kadai na u meeting point G hadu bakot u base but ngin name ya u point H. Then mentah ngin yo ban kanya ka number iki number jong ki box way R but line. Then ka height kadai line. Then mentah ban ngin yo ban calculate na 2 1s are 2 2 6 are 12. Tika basa kalong 6 into 3. The 6 into 3 kadai 18. Tingin kan mau ban thoi ka units but hani kadai square units. But kani kalong ka jibab jang kani ka jingkuli.